Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Electric pressure cooker. 7in, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Garlic press. Heavy-duty construction. The heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design ensure you can easily mince unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger root quickly and with minimal effort. Simply press the handles and delicious paste will ooze out, leaving the peel inside. Professional-grade garlic press. Stainless steel, rust-proof garlic press can mince and crush garlic with restaurant quality and ease. This will be the best tool in your kitchen. Add color to your kitchen. This crusher is available with silver, black, red, or multicolored handles. The baskets were not painted to ensure that our garlic press is 100% safe to use when you're preparing food. Variety of uses. This garlic press perfectly minces garlic so your veggie, meat, sauce, or salad dressing will be so delicious your guests will think you had a professional chef. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way. Every time we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push-start button. It couldn't be easier. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Extra wide slots. With each slot at 1.6-inch wide, the 4-slice toaster lets you fit long, thick slices of artisan bread, Texas toast, bagels, English muffins, and plenty more of your favorites. Perfect size for the modern family, with hungry mouths to feed each morning. Perfect as a new home essentials, Mueller toasters also make an excellent gifts for mom, combining functionality with style. Hand blender. Superior function. Versatile and durable, the Cuisinart 300-watt smart stick variable speed hand blender switches from low to high speed quickly. Must-have features. Comfort grip handle with push button for continuous action and variable speed slide control. Easy to use. On OFF switch with lock/unlock button, an 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. Included, 3-cup chopper/grinder, chef's whisk, 2-cup mixing/measuring cup. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Egg slicer. FOD slicer egg slicer is very suitable for cutting hard-boiled eggs, strawberry, banana, mushroom, butter, cheese, into neat slices. Just put the food into the slicer and push it down. You will get neat slices every time. Sharp stainless steel wire. The egg cutter wires is made of stainless steel, and it is very sharp, which allows you to quickly slice eggs and soft food. Egg cutter wires are durable and can be used for several years. Ergonomic design egg slicer, made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle. Ergonomic design makes it easier to use. You just need to lower the food in the card slot, and then press it gently to get neat slices. Easy to clean. The base of the egg cutter uses a hollow design. Simply rinse with water to easily remove food scraps and get a brand new egg cutter. Can be safely used in the dishwasher. Food kitchen scale. Supports 5 units, Oz/lb, Oz/flaws/g/ml, tare function, and includes 2 AAA batteries for hassle-free operation. Accurately weighs up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms with 1G increments. The small and sleek scale is a perfect fit for most kitchens, occupying little space and easily storable in cabinets. Just wipe down the 304 food-grade stainless steel surfaces to keep clean. Backlit LCD screen with large fonts for easy reading. Magnetic shelf. Magnetic function. This capable of supporting up to 15 kilograms of weight. The magnetic suction feature allows the shelf to be easily attached to any metal surface, such as a refrigerator or a metal shelf, without the need for any additional support. This makes it ideal for use in small kitchens or other spaces where storage is limited. They can easily hold a variety of items, including fruits, vegetables, utensils, and other kitchen accessories, without bending or breaking. Multi-purpose. The best part about this magnetic shelf is its versatility. Use it to store fruits and vegetables in the kitchen, helping keep the food fresh. Additionally, it can be used in the office break room to organize coffee pods, snacks, and sodas. Say goodbye to cluttered spaces and hello to organized living with this magnetic shelf. Bread slicer. Unique creative upgrade. This bread slicer with bread box adopts pull-out cutting board removable design. When using it, you need to pull out the cutting board close to the cutting board, which is convenient to pull out the cutting board, and the cutting board can bring the sliced bread into the bread box smoothly, avoiding touching the bread by hand and saving the time, and the practical design lets you enjoy a seamless bread-making experience. Multifunctional bread box. In order to better use with our pull-out bread slicer, we have a 9-liter large-capacity bread box for you. It is made of transparent ice cream maker. Functionality. Turn almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. Wattage, 800 watts. Voltage, 120 volts. Customization. With the Ninja CREME, you can have total control of your ingredients from decadent gelato to low sugar, keto, dairy-free, and vegan options. Create frozen treats as unique as you are. Mix INS. Customize your flavor and texture by mixing in your favorite chocolate, nuts, candy,